So hello all, Aditya Suresh here, and let me just represent my latest hackathon project that is called as Medcheck. You can find it on the GitHub repo. So this is the basically a project where we are focusing on the medical drug viability check with the help of and we have implemented this project with the help of the Monstag and with the help of the AI. So let me just quickly take you to the project and what we have built. So for this project, we have created the web app which interacts with the user and helps them to find out which medical drugs are violated. And our application maintains the two user profiles such as the doctor and the patient. So whenever the doctor will be giving the some drugs to the patient, our system will notify the doctor that these two drugs, particularly drugs he is giving, are conflicting or not. Means some drugs when they are taken, like two drugs when they are taken, they can be severely harmful for the patient. So it checks that thing. So let me just quickly navigate you through the UI section. So this is the UI that we have created for our application, and we have tried to add the interactive cards, and these are some of the UI part that you can see out here. You can check it on the GitHub repo, as well as we have the hosted provided link, so you can also check it out here. And all these things are considered in the UI. So let me just quickly go through the user sign up, and let me show you the another functionalities here. So just when you click on the sign up out here, a quick page to create an account will appear. So you have to just continue with the Google here, and you can create your account on our application. So let me just first of all give my username here, and you have to give your personal mobile number, and you can also select the region from where you can join our platform. And I have selected my number, and let me just continue with it. So whenever you will enter your number, you will get an OTP. So I am just waiting for it, and it will verify that the given number is valid or not. So let me just get that OTP and quickly come back to the authentication part. So I'm just waiting for the OTP here. Yeah, so here my OTP has come. Yeah, and it is verified. So it will redirect me to the another page, and you can see out here successfully logged into our system. So while clicking on your username, you will get a user profile to maintain. You can see out here, you have your username, you can change it out here, you can have the primary email out there, you can have the phone numbers associated with your account and other viable security checks. And you can also fill your personal profile. So let me just quickly navigate you through this. And you can also change your profile picture. So let me just quickly uh, show the demo of the maintaining user profile, and you can continue and finish. So it will update the user profile like this. So that's it for the profile maintenance. So after that, you can see here in the nav bar, you can select the role as a doctor and patient, and it is non-recurring process. Means if you have selected the role as a doctor, then you will be doctor in our system forever. And if you select the patient, so you are a patient. So let me just click on the doctor and let me just reload the page here. So you can see here now this user has got the role of the doctor, and this data of this user is get selected or get stored into our system as a doctor. Yeah, so you can see out here database is maintained for the doctors. Uh, so this was the doctor profile. So let me just add a patient so I can show it to you the another further things which are there in the system. So let me just go to the another account creation, which will be the of the patient. So let me just select the username, and let me just give the one number out here. So this, yeah, and so I will receive one verification code again as I'm creating the new account. So just waiting for the code. Yeah, 6163, and it is also verified. So I must get another user out here. So I will just quickly set up the profile of this user. So it will be more beneficial for us. So let me just finish the profile of this user. Sorry, and let me just select the role as a patient and boom. This is the what we can say. This is the patient profile we can see out here. So both the patient and the doctor got their personal dashboard to work with. So let me just go to the patient dashboard here. So here, when I go to the patient dashboard, I can see the all the doctors which are there in our system. So the doctor that we have added in our system was Aditya Sureshi. So the patient is getting the doctor's profile out here. And after that, you can see here the personal. This is the personal profile. You can check it out and you can sign it out from our system. And you can fill this form. So this form takes the patient medical history and medical data. So it was basically the hackathon project, some UI part and some backend, high-end backend scalability functionality is not done properly, but a bare minimum platform is created. So let me just quickly go to the blood group and let me just add some allergies and all. Allergy is basically the allergy of the drugs which are there, like a particular drug category can be the allergy of the group. And suppose the disease that he was suffering from was the diabetes in the previous, and his age is suppose 20, and you submit, and the patient updated the profile. So after that, you can commit out here, and you can see that after you have filled the profile once, your profile data is maintained in one separate card, and you can see it out here, your blood group and all these things out there. And one important thing that we have implemented in this, and that we have uploaded the data on the IPFS. So yeah, so it requires some time. So I think it has uploaded it. So what we have done, so we have taken this, yeah, so it is, I think I have got it on the console. Okay, it requires some time. No worries about that. And you can, up till now, you can check here, we have the patient out here, and we have got all the information of the patient about here, the allergy and field profile and image URL and all these things are there, and these are maintained in the database. Okay, so talking about the IPFS, what we have implemented, yeah. So I think it is loading. It is showing in me here in the left corner that it is uploaded to the IPFS, but it requires some amount of time to get reloaded or to be uploaded on the IPFS. But before that, up to this, okay. So uh, we will come to that part later. So after that, you can come to the doctor dashboard, and after coming to the doctor dashboard, you can see out here the patient profile, which is out there, and this patient profile is coming from directly from here. So you can check, the doctors can check all the patient profiles which are present about there, and they can provide the prescription there. So let me take some medicines which are out there, and let me some prescribe some medicines to this patient based upon its history. This is the prototype. So we are just making the what you can see things simple. We are not we do not have that much of the domain knowledge, but we have just tried it with the some random diseases and random drugs. So it doesn't has the what you can say particular domain knowledge of the drugs and all these things. And after that, you have added first drug. He has added the first drug, and now suppose another drug is there. These are the two conflicting drugs, and suppose I have added the another drugs, so you can check it out. So I will show you. Yeah, you can check it out on the internet, but it's okay. And after that, you can check, and after clicking on the check, what happens? It will give you the what you can say the whether the two drugs are compatible or not. Or suppose the doctor has added some four or five drugs, so it will give you the non-compatible pairs which are in the drug. So these two were the non-compatible pairs which was present. So let me just check whether yeah. So it was uploaded on the IPFS, but IPFS takes the some its time to get uploaded on the IPFS. So I think because it is showing me the hash, but it is not showing me the. Let me just go once again and check it. I think it is the problem of the browser. Okay, no problem, no worries. So we are on the patient profile. So you can check it out here. I have added the two drugs like reprodukine and sorafenib. So these are the non-compatible pairs. Like suppose I have given the three, four drugs, and out of which the some are the compatible and some are non-compatible. So like that, it will give us the non-compatible and compatible pairs from the given drugs. And you can also check it out the reason why these two drugs are not compatible. So the sentence was this one. So justification was leprosy is a direct throw-in inhibitor and all these things and blah 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 things are provided with our system. And the main thing that we have implemented is like the precautions that what you can say the patient should take if he is taking the drugs. So suppose he is taking the first drug, so the food contents, some food contents can be conflicting to this drug. So we will provide the sorry, so we will provide the notifications about like you should avoid the herbs and supplements with the anticoagulant and this activity. So these things was provided by us. And doctor can prescribe that drug to the patient if it is non-conflicting. So it is the manual, what you can say, Uh, it, i- it is the manual process that the patient has to, the doctor has to do. So this was the thing about the viability checking. And after that, the doctor can have the substitute medicine. Like suppose the medicine is in a solid form, he wants medicine in the liquid form. So he will suggest the medicine in the liquid form, or suggest a substitute medicine for a given medicine. So Omni is the one drug which is in a liquid form, I think, and you can substitute this drug with this all the these drugs. After that, it also in the doctor profile we have also maintained one column for the allergy checking and like suppose a drug is there, like the patient has mentioned that he has the allergy of the penicillin group, and now suppose the drug contains the content of the penicillin and he has the allergic content of the penicillin. So when these two things will be there, it will be very harmful for the patient. So we have implemented that, but I don't have the exact peer example peer to enter out here, so you can check it out also. So no worries about that. And after that, you can have the here also we have maintained the personal profile of the doctor to uh, manipulate his personal profile. So we have added the option, and you can check it out this project bias. So this was the thing. And when the doctor prescribes any what you can say medicine to the patient, so all the data will be added into the all the data will be added into the what you can say. So let me that database. So let me just I think it is taking time. This is the hash that we have got from the patient's metadata profile that we have uploaded it into the IPFS, but I can show it to you. Uh, I have to just yeah. So I have to just log in into my account and because I have used this provider for the IPFS storage. So Let me just log in into my account and let me just do this process so I can show you the IPFS hash that we have got. It takes some time to upload the file on the IPFS, so it might be that traffic related part that we can show out here. And let me just go out here and which was my account. This was not my account. Okay, let it be. Just leave it for now. Yeah, so this was about the IPFS. And after that, we have implemented one feature where the doctor can create his meeting platforms to schedule a meet with the patient. So when he will be coming on this platform, he has to join meet. And here I am, and this is the own integrated meet platform made with the Zigo Cloud service, obviously. And I can join into the meet like this, and the patient or the let me just go onto this link with the another tab. Suppose another person wants to join the room, so he can join. And suppose name can be this one, and let me join into the room. So you can see it out here in the meeting. The another person is there, and you can see it out here. Like the 2% has joined the room. In this case, I am the person, so it is showing me my video. And suppose I left the room, so he will get notified that I have left the room. So it was a notification. So like that, the meet implementation was done in our project, and this was the doctor's profile that we have maintained. Okay, it is getting get out. Okay, leave it. So this was the patient profile, and we have maintained it. And this was the doctor's profile, and this was the thing that doctor can give prescription. And suppose he has given the prescription like Omini and submitted it, and this prescribed subscription will go into the particular patient profile where you can see here the medicines given are Omini. So like that, the system was implemented, and unfortunately, we have lost the hackathon. But I think uh, it was not that much great project, but we have tried our best. So that's it, and you can sign it from the system also. Uh, so that's it from my side. See you in the next one. Thank you.